How to sign in to Sirius XM. So let's go to the website. Then go to manage my account over here. If you hover, it says manage my account. Click on that. And then it says sign in. Just put your information. Once you click again, it's gonna ask you how would you like to sign in. Text message, verification, or email. I'm gonna use text message. I'm gonna wait for my code. Okay, I got it. 699732. Continue. And that's it. I'm signed into my account. Here you can manage your account, view your bill, make payment, and sign out.